There are strengths and weaknesses to the indicators. The first one I'm going to talk about is Heiken Ashi. It's clean candle reading. When it's Japanese candles, I think it's messy. Safe candle entry, knowing momentum is on your side. And the weakness of these candles is the lag time on bullish and bearish activity. The pair I use, and I'm going to demonstrate on through the whole entire thing, is CADCHF. I chose this pair because it's not an easy pair to trade and or even look at because it's messy. There's a lot of volatility, and it's just difficult to read sometimes. And I felt like it was a better pair to pick rather than cherry pick any of the other charts that I could have used to make it look amazing, so to speak. And so we'll get into basically why I like Heiken Ashi is the pattern to it. And as we go through this presentation, as I start showing this, we're going to stack multiple things together to build a structure, and there'll be multiple levels of confluence in order to make a good trading decision. And so with Heiken Ashi, it's just one piece of the puzzle. And why I like it is because you get a bunch of green candles, you get a purple candle, price moves down. That's the pattern. It's not perfect, but it gives me personally something to work off of. And if you notice these wicks, so this candle right here was really high, this couldn't break that high, this couldn't break that high, and then finally it lost momentum, price went down. There is a negative side to Heiken Ashi, and that is, so as we're right here, so price moves down, stops, closes at almost the same exact spot. You call those railroad tracks if you want to call it that. Opens and then moves up. One of two things happen. One, this is a 20 pip candle right here. So we're missing out on 20 points. But on the same side, in order to get into a, I would say, safer trade, so to speak, what I usually do is wait till this closes, and then I would get it on the open of this one. So it'd be the third one. That way I know momentum's in my favor. And preferably, I want to see a square bottom. I'm particular about the trades I get in. I want to see a square bottom. If it's not square, there's other things to look at. I'll use indicators in order to make a decision whether I want to get in or not. And the other part is that we have a tendency to miss out. So I made a final high. So this is already going bearish. And then, so that's one of the problems, is that there's a lag time and we miss out on better entries. But there's a solution for that later on in the presentation. Other than that, that's it for Heiken Ashi.